Hi friends, how are you? Hope that you will be fine. Today we are going to explore another tool, another AI tool that is amazing, and its capabilities are, I should say that they are the best up till now. We have used ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Quen, etc., but the tool which we are using today is excellent. So before going to the tool, let's check a website which is neil.fun. And on this website, there are a number of basically games and apps that are basically produced by AI. So on this website, this tool is basically the Bill Gates pen game, and here the Bill Gates total worth is shown, that is 100 billion, around 100 billion. And here a number of basically commodities are there. For example, chapel and burger, coke, etc., etc. So the user has to purchase these and the amount will be deducted. But the visits to these websites are a lot. That is around 8 million visits are there per month. And here on another tool that is the similar web, here you can see that total visits are 7.6 million. That is again around 8 million. So if there are 8 million visitors to this website, you can imagine that how much basically money can be made with this type of website. So previously such type of games were very expensive to be made by developers, but now they are very easy. Here you can see that if you buy something, it is added in the buying list and the amount is subtracted over here. And here you have cars, Rolex watches, jet ski, etc., etc. You can purchase these one or multiples, and at the end there is a receipt, that is you have purchased movie ticket, book, lobster dinner, etc., etc. Total of $57,498. So this is excellent game. Today we will be trying to make this game by using some AI tool, and that AI tool is basically free. You can use it, and you can make games like this and like other games, and those games can be placed on your website, and traffic can be diverted to those websites by different strategies like on page SEO, off page SEO, and you can place ads on those websites. So first of all, we will be trying to use DeepSeek. As you know that DeepSeek is a well-known and free. And here we have plugged in the website address and asked to analyze this web page and make a similar website. So it's thinking. This is the thought process of the DeepSeek, and it has produced an HTML code. This basically game on this DeepSeek is a very basic version. We have basically run the HTML code, and this is the output of the game, that is 100,000 100,000 billion is basically the amount which is total over here. And here you can purchase pizza, movie ticket, etc., etc. Images are not over here, and if you buy something, it is subtracted from this amount. Okay, so but this is a very basic game. This is not exactly the same which we have seen on that website, which is the neil.fun-spend. You can visit this website and can see that how this game is amazing, and people are coming to this website to make it. So to make this game freely, we will be using GenSpark.ai, and it is basically a multi-agent AI website. It's having a super agent which is using multiple agents. You can give a simple prompt to this website and it will make you amazing outcomes. You can make images from this, and to generate images it is having multiple models. You can select it from the well-known model as well as the new models. So the mixture agents consist of the Recraft, Ideogram, Flux, different models of Flux, Gemini, etc. You can make video generation with this website as well, and it is having amazing result if you want to make videos with this. Similarly, there are other agents as well, just for example, super agent, deep research, etc., etc. But the amazing result of the one is the call for me agent. And this agent, let me check, one of the use cases are basically reproduced over here, and this is call for me. This agent will call on behalf of you to someone if you want to basically book, to purchase, or to do anything with this. So there is a prompt that book a table for 2 people at 800 hour next visit Wednesday on the location which is given over here. So this agent will call. First of all, it has recreated the thought process, and then the chatting is over here, the timestamp is over here, the responses are basically produced over here, and finally, the whole chat is over here in of audio.
Sure. How many people? It'll be for 2 people, please. 2 people. Awesome. Is there a preference on the time? It looks like I have a pretty wide open evening.
So this is amazing. It can talk, it can call on behalf of you for whatever purpose you ask it. So now we will make that game website with this, and I have given a simple prompt that analyze this website or this web page and make me and give me a code so that I can make the same website over here. So now it has started the thinking process. It's thinking, and it is basically first analyzing the web page, that is neat.fun-spend, and then it is capturing the screenshot of the complete website so that it can reproduce it. Also, please note that I have given in the prompt that make the game more with more functionalities, so that it is not exactly the same game but with more functionalities. So let's see whether it is it can make a game with which is having more functionalities from the one that is on that website or not. So this is now the thinking process on the preview mode, and now it is starting the codes in HTML. We can copy this code, we can basically deploy it on our website. It's very easy. I have used and deployed codes, HTML codes on websites in my previous videos. You can check that. If you want me to make more videos on their deployment, please comment. I will make more videos. It's very simple. You can make such type of tools, games, apps with such type of AI, and you can deploy it on your website. You can get very good traffic, and you can earn money with this. You can start from today, and hopefully within few months you will be getting good traffic. So let's wait for this so that the code is completed, and then we will be basically checking the preview of this code. And as I said, we can copy this code, and temporarily we can check this code or run this code on the HTML compiler as well. So I'll be running this code on the compiler as well when it is completed. So it seems like it is completed, and if now I click the preview button, it should give me the preview, but at the moment the file is creating. Here you can see that. So if I click the preview button, it's creating the preview, and it will take some time. So to wait for this, we have another option as well. We can copy the code from here, and we can deploy it on the on any website or any compiler. So here a view button is also over here. If we click this view button, we will be getting on the right hand side window, which is already open. If we click this again, this window will be closed. So this is the code, this is the HTML code, and this code can be copied or even it can be downloaded. We can download this in basically in PDF version. We can download the preview in the PDF version as well. So the preview is in generating because it will take some time. It is a very heavy code, and we can add another window by clicking the plus sign. We can copy the URL to the clipboard as well, and we can paste it somewhere here. So we will copy it. Basically, this is generated on this URL, which is shown over here. That is genspark.ai agents, then the ID number, and then finally a lot of digits. And this URL is accessible from anywhere. You can copy it and access it. If it is available on this, if I delete it, you will not be able to basically access it. So I have opened this opencompiler.com, and I'll paste the code over here, and if I run it, I should get the preview. So this is basically the preview over here. Here you can see that the Bill Gates total 100 billion amount is over here for spending, and this website is amazing, I think. So it has more functionalities than the one which was there. Let me paste the code on another compiler so that I can get a good view. And this is the one compiler sorry, onlineviewer.net. And if I paste the code, then the website will be basically generated on the right hand side, and this is the full view. And here you can see that it is, I think so, it is having more functionalities than the previous website. Here you can see that the total spent at the moment is 0, item purchased, most expensive items, and below here you can see other things as well. So let's check the preview again, and in the preview it has been generated, but let us check that on which window we will be getting more good results. Uh, Here you can see that it is showing the GIF amount total, but we have produced it for the Bill Gates. So why it's showing GIF? Let's check it. And I think so it is having multi billionaire selection functionality. We can select it from here. We can select the billionaire as a Jeff or a Bill Gates or other billionaires. Let's check it. So if I click this, yes, Bill Gates is with 100 billion, Elon Musk with 200 billion, Jeff with 150 billion, and Mark with 80 billion. So if we select any one of them, the amount which is their total worth will be available for our purchases. And but in the actual game, only Bill Gates was there. So it means that it has given me more functionality by giving only a simple command. The only issue at the moment is that the images are not generated, but the functionality is more. The total spent is showing over here, the items purchased, the most expensive item. If I have purchased, it will be shown over here. I can purchase one or multiple items. Here you can see that. And these items are basically distributed or split into a number of areas or categories. And here you can see that there are alternative uses for this, that if with this amount we can provide water, clean water, to this much number of people. We can plant this much number of trees with that much amount. We can end homelessness for this number of peoples, for individuals for a year, and we can fund college education for this much people for 4-year college degree. So I think so it is more amazing, and this is I think so the results are amazing, and they are not basically less than the results of a very expensive developer. And if I click that surprise me, this is another functionality. It has surprisingly purchased one item, that is a private island with the $5 million, and the $5 million are subtracted. The remaining amount is available over here. If I purchase a hot tub, other are basically extra, then subtracted from the total amount, then the diamond ring, the luxury wine, the designer handbag, and so on. So here you can see that I have purchased 14 items, and the list of these 14 items is visible below, and though I have not seen it at the moment, but it is over there. Then in the real estate, there are other options, that is single family home, acre farmland, McDonald franchise, etc., etc. For charity, there are other options as well. And there are, here you can see that the bar of the purchase is basically now red from green, and it has shown me that I have purchased so much items. So I think so. This is that's it. Thank you so much for viewing my video, and please subscribe my channel, and I'll be here for to record more videos, and we will meet again. Thank you.